Okay. Good morning, my dear students. How are you all, ma?
Fine, madam. What about
Yeah, fine, ma. I'm good. So, what is our last class? What was our last class, ma? What was our last class? That means yesterday class. So, yesterday class was CSS, CSS syntax. Okay. This is the last class. So, what is the syntax for the CSS? That is, we need to take the one selector and the declaration block. Okay, declaration block. These declaration block open with curly braces and close with curly braces. Okay. Open with curly braces and close with curly braces. So here I am taking the example. Selector means it is a particular tag or a particular element. Okay, that is going to change our some properties. Okay, that is going to change some properties. So selector means it is a element or it is a tag. For example, paragraph tag, image tag, body tag, head tag. So like that, we need to take the one selector. Okay, and here I'm taking the one selector, that is the P paragraph tag is that my selector, and here I'm opening the browser, sorry, curly braces, and closing the curly braces. Okay, open the curly braces and close the curly braces. This is my example. So open curly braces. After the opening curly braces, we need to write the what changes you are doing. You can write here. Okay, what are the changes you wanted to made it? You can write it. Okay, so here I am taking the one changes, that is the border. BORDER border. Okay, are you understand? Ma? Border, BORDER border, color, colon, semicolon, red. Okay, and border color, it's not taking the hyphen, it is taking the hyphen, ma, and here I'm taking the colon symbol, and here I'm taking the semicolon. Why? Because the two properties are separated with the semicolon. In declaration block, we can write any number of properties. In declaration block, we can write the number of properties. So here I'm taking the one property is border color, that is the red, and I'm taking the another property, that is the font size. Font size, that is the value is 2 pixel. Okay, the value is 2 pixel. So a property, and already we know that the property and the property value must ensure separate with the colon, and the two properties are separated with the semicolon. Here border color red is the one property, border color is the one property, and the font size is the another property. Okay, and the value of border color is red, and the value of font size is 2 pixel. Okay, the value of font size is 2 pixel, and the value of border color is red color. So this is the syntax of our CSS cascading style sheet. Okay, are you understand, ma? So here we have a different types of cascading CSS style sheet. Cascading style sheet, that means you can use these cascading style sheets in 3 ways. Okay, in three ways we are using the cascading style sheets. Okay, number one, inline style sheets. Inline style sheet. And number two, internal style sheet. And number three, external style sheet. Okay, I understand now. Okay, internal style sheet and external style sheet. Okay, there are three ways to define a style sheet. We can define in three ways. One is the inline style sheets and the internal style sheet and the external style sheet. And now we are going to discuss the what is inline style sheet. What is inline style sheet? So inline style sheets means we can define in a single line or we can define in a particular element. Okay, we can define in single line or we can define, okay, or we can define in element, okay, particular single element. Okay, Nana, I understand now. So in inline style sheet means we can define in a single line or we can define in a particular element. For example, I'm taking the paragraph. For example, I'm taking the paragraph and here I'm closing the paragraph. Okay, between these paragraph, here I'm pasting the one paragraph. For example, this is my paragraph. This is my paragraph. Okay, this paragraph I'm copied here and paste here. I'm copying here and paste here. So this is my paragraph. So if you want to apply a style sheets, cascade style sheets, that means border or border color or border and background color, whatever you want to, you can apply here. So in this, we need to write the one tag, that is the style. Okay, first we are going to define a style and that equal to here mention, we can mention everything here, we can mention in double quotes. Okay, everything we are mentioning here in double quotes. And here style equals to in double quotes, within the double quotes we need to write here. Okay, I'm taking the one property, that is the border. Okay, I'm taking the one property, that is the border color, and I'm giving the I'm assigning the value, that is the yellow color. Okay, I'm taking the value is yellow color. One property is completed. If you want to take another property, you can declare here. You can also declare here. Okay, if you want to take another property, you can declare here. So for example, font color or font size, you wanted to take the font size as another property, you can declare here. Okay, I'm taking the 2 pixel of my uh, font size. I'm taking the 2 pixel of font size. So it is completed. So how many properties are declared here? We declared two properties. Okay, one is the border color and another one is the font size. I'm declaring two properties. This is the way of declaring the inline style sheet. Okay, inline style sheet means we can define or we can declare a style sheet in single line, or we can define a style sheet in a single element. Okay, that element means it may be a tag. Okay, that means image tag, paragraph tag, body tag. So so these are the element for a element. These are the we can call as a element. Okay, are you understand, ma? So this is the inline style sheet. Okay, next I'm going to take the another one, that is the external style sheet. Sorry, internal style sheet. One is the inline is completed and I'm taking the internal style sheet. Okay, internal style sheet means we can define or we can apply a styles in head section only. Okay, we can apply the styles in head section only. That is, we are going to call it as a internal style sheet. Are you understand, ma? Okay, we can apply styles in head section. Okay, head section only. So internal style sheets are applied in head section only. Internal style sheets are applying in head section only. Okay. So how we can write internal style sheets in head section? So in head section, we have to apply style sheets. We can write the style tag. Okay, we have to write the style tag and close that style tag. Okay, close that style tag must and should. In inline we are already taken that is a style. Okay, so like that here we are also taking the style tag. So style tag and open the style tag and close out the style tag, open the style tag and close out the style tag. Between the open and close style tag we need to mention the already we know that the word syntax, that is a selector and declaration block. Okay, already we know that. Okay, selector means it's a maybe element, it's maybe a tag. Okay, or it's maybe a tag. So here I'm taking the one tag, already we are taking in inline. So like that I am also taking the same tag, that is the paragraph tag. Okay, this is my selector. Okay, this is my selector. So here I'm applying the some styles. So what here I'm going to take the background. Okay, background color. For example, I'm taking the background color is the property, and here I'm assigning the value for background color is already we taken the red color. So here I'm taking the red color. Okay, this is my background property. Okay, and after declaration completed, we need to take the we need to close the curly braces. Okay, after declaration completed we need to close the curly braces. So this is the internal style sheets. Okay, this is the way of declaring the internal style sheet. How we can declare the internal style sheet? We have to declare internal style sheet in head section only. Okay, we have to declare a internal style sheets in head section only. So in head section we need to take the style tag and we need to close the that style tag. Between the open and close the style tag we need to take the one selector and declare the particular property, what are changes is going to be making. So we need to close that, sorry, we need to declare the particular changes. Okay, here I'm going to change the background color. So I here I'm declaring the background. Here I'm defining the background color, that is the red. Okay, this is P is the selector and property is background color and the value for the background color is red. Okay, I'm assigning the background color, that is the value is red color. Okay, so this is the inline style sheet. This is, sorry, internal style sheet. Inline style sheet, we need to apply the in a single line or a particular element, and internal style sheet we need to going to define in a but head section only. We need to going to define in a head section only, and head section we need to define the style tag. Between the style opening and closing tag, we can declare the properties. We have to declare the particular properties. Okay, this is the internal. Okay, internal style sheet. And then how we are going to declare the external style sheet? How we are going to declare the external style sheet? Okay, before this going to external style sheet, we need to go for the simple example. So we need to go for simple example. Here I'm taking the notepad. Okay, this is my notepad. Here I'm writing the program, sample program. So here I'm taking the HTML tag and I'm closing the HTML tag. Okay, HTML tag. This is the major element of the HTML programming. This is the major element of our HTML program. So HTML program start with the HTML tag and close it with the HTML tag. And here I'm taking the head tag. Okay, head tag. So and here I'm closing the head tag. Here I'm closing the, this is the another second element, that is the head tag. Okay, in between the opening and closing the head tag we are going to declare the title tag. Okay, title tag. The here I'm closing the title tag. Title tag. I'm closing the title tag. So if this title tag is optional tag, if you want to declare the title for your document, you can declare. Otherwise, you don't declare the title tag. Okay, you cannot define the title tag. Okay, here title tag opening and title tag closed. Here title tag opened and title tag closed. So here I'm taking the title, that is the CSS types. CSS types. Here I'm giving the title is CSS types. Okay, and after the head tag, we need to take the body tag. Okay, we need to define a body tag, and this must and should we need to close the body tag. Must and should we need to close the body tag. And here I'm taking the paragraph. Here I'm taking the paragraph. Paragraph me the shortcut of tag is for paragraph, that is the p tag. Okay, and I'm closing the p tag. I'm closing the p tag. So we wanted to take the paragraph. We wanted to take the paragraph. So I'm here, and this is, for example, if this is my paragraph. This is my paragraph. Okay, now, and now I'm taking another paragraph. Okay, here I'm taking the and again I'm taking the another paragraph. So here I'm closing the paragraph. Okay, this is my second paragraph. So the paragraph declaration is completed. This paragraph must and should within the body tag. Must and should within the body tag. And here I'm saving the notepad, desktop, and must and should we need to take the dot extensions, dot HTML, that is the extension name. So I'm taking the notepad 1.html. It's my program name is 1.html. 1.html is my program name. So I'm saved the program. You saved the program, and here we need to go for the browser. We need to open the browser. So how we can open, we can see the output. We are going to take the open with and open with the Microsoft front page. Select the Microsoft front page. Okay, so these are two my paragraphs. These are two my paragraphs. Okay, we can define in a single line. These are two my paragraphs. So now we are going to change some cascading style sheets. Now we are going to change the cascading style sheet. So already we know that how we can declare the inline style sheet. We can declare the inline style sheet particular element or single line. Particular element means I'm going to declare the paragraph. Okay, I'm going to declare in a paragraph. So here I'm taking the style. What is the syntax for the inline? Style is equals to, we have to write the any declaration in double quotes. In the double quotes, we are declared the any properties in the double quotes. So here I'm taking the background, background color. I'm taking the background color, and the value is red color. The background color and the value is red color. Once again, I'm saving the document. I'm saving here and opening the browser. I'm opening the browser and refresh the browser. Okay, sorry ma. Sorry ma, wait. Here I'm saving the document and open the browser. I'm opening the browser, that is in the red color. So, and for example, you want to take the second paragraph, another color, you need to take the another color for the second paragraph. You need to take the here. You need to take here. Otherwise, you want to, next one is the what is the second one? Internal style sheet. So this internal style sheet will be defined in a head section only. Okay, we have to take the cascading style sheet in head section only. Okay, Okay, here I'm taking the style tag in head section. I'm taking after the title tag, I'm taking the style tag, STYL style tag. Here I'm closing the style tag. Okay, I'm closing the style tag. And here now I'm going to, between the style opening and closing tag, we are going to declare the paragraph cascading style sheets. That is the, I'm going to take the paragraph p tag, that is the my selector. So and here p tag we need to change some properties. So what are the CSS properties? Background color, border, and font color, text. So I'm taking the font size. This is my property, and I'm changing the property of font size, and I'm giving the 15 pixel size. 15 pixel size. Okay, so this is the my property. Now I'm saving the document. Okay, and I'm opening the browser and refreshing the browser. So this is the 15 pixel. It can change the font size in 15 pixel. Are you understand? I'm increasing some more value. That is, I'm taking the 35 pixel size. So it will change it little bit. So this is my font size. Okay, it is increasing the font size. The size is increased. Okay, the font size is increased. Okay now, so this is the inline style sheets and internal style sheets. Inline and internal style sheets. Okay, inline and internal style sheets. Okay, are you understand, ma? Are you okay, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now how we can apply the external style sheets? So external style sheets, how we can apply the external style sheets? External style sheets means we need to take the another notepad. We can write the styles in another notepad. Okay, we need to take the another notepad. For if you wanted to applying a external style sheet, we need to take another notepad. Okay, after completion of another notepad, we need to apply the link. We need to declare the link. Okay, link in your notepad. Okay, link, you have to create the link. You wanted to create a link. You wanted to create a link. Okay, create a link. So how we are going to declare a external style sheet? I'm taking the one example I'm showing here, ma. So here, file, new, so file. Here I'm taking the external. So what in external, where you wanted to change, you can take here directly. For example, if you wanted to change the paragraph, that is the selector. My selector is paragraph, is my selector. Okay, here apply the property. Here we have to apply the property. That means, for example, I'm taking font 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 color font color font color colon green color. Already it is in red color, so I'm taking the green color. So this external file will be saved in the .css. Okay, .css. This external file will be saved in the .css. Okay, .css. Dot CSS means CSS, sorry, style dot CSS. I'm saving the external file style dot CSS. Okay, style dot CSS. And this reference will be going to give the in your program, in your program. Okay, here I am taking the link. This link is also defined in head section only. This link is also defined in head section only. Okay, we have to define in head section only. Okay, here I'm writing the link. Link, the syntax of the link is rel, link rel, that equals to style sheet, style sheet. So that this style sheet within the double quotes, you have to write in the double quotes. And type, I'm mentioning the type equal to text or CSS, text or CSS. This is the syntax, ma, text or CSS. And here I'm taking the reference, href, reference. That means this is taking the uh, path of your external file. This is taking the path of your external file. That means you are already you are already declared in external styles. So you are saving that particular external files with the .css. So that file is the reference for this link. Okay. So what is the our external file? Style dot css, style dot css. Okay, style dot css. This is my external file. So here I am saving the document. Save. This is, it is completed, my declaration of link. How we can give the link, it is completed. Now I am opening the browser. It is applied, ma. See here, the font color is changed. What is the color? Green color. The font color is in green color. So this is my external style sheets. This is my external style sheet. So how we can declare the external style sheets? External style sheet, we can declare the external style sheet in another note. We wanted to take the another notepad. In that notepad we can write the whatever changes you wanted to, you can write here. And you wanted to save the particular notepad in the .css, that is the external file. Must ensure you wanted to change, you wanted to save the .css. Okay, then after the completion of you are saving the document, you need to go for the link for that particular document. Okay, how we can give the link? So you can open the your program and take the head section only. We can declare the link in head section only. And here we writing the head section, the link, the syntax of the link is link, link tag, a relation. Rel means relation, that is the style sheet. Our relation is what is the, what is our relation? How what is I'm going to take the some what is I'm going to take changes. So I'm going to take the style sheet, cascading style sheet. I'm applying the cascading style sheet. So now, so that we need to take the style sheet and then complete, then type. What is the type of your document? Text or CSS document? What is the type of your document? That means a text document, or it may be a CSS document. I mean, that means cascading style sheet. Okay, reference means href means reference. So here I'm taking the reference, that is external file. Okay, here I'm taking the file name of external. Okay, name of the file. So after completion we can we can go with the browser and refresh the browser. It displayed in the green color. The font is displayed in the green color. Are you okay, ma? Sorry, understand, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to take the another property, that is the background color or something else we need to discuss it. Tomorrow I'm going to take the background properties of cascading style sheet. Thank you all of you.
Thank you, madam.